Solve the equation cos x is equal to 3 over 2. So cos x is equal to 3 over 2. So replacing cos with e to the x plus e to the minus x over 2 is equal to 3 over 2. The 2's will cancel out and we get e to the x. E to the minus x is 1 over e to the x. It's equal to 3. We will multiply through by e to the x to get rid of that from the denominator. So that'll give e to the x squared, which is written as e to the 2x, plus 1 is equal to 3 times e to the x. This is a quadratic. So it's e to the 2x minus 3e to the x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is what's known as a disguised quadratic. So we use the quadratic formula. So b will be, e to the x will be equal to, well, a is 1, b is minus 3, c is 1 in this. So we're going to get minus 3 plus or minus the square root of minus 3 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1. So that's going to give over 2 times 1. So it's going to give 3 plus or minus, this will be 9 minus 4, so it'll be root 5 over 2. Right, so we've got e to the x is equal to 3 minus root 5 over 2, or e to the x is 3 plus root 5 over 2, which will give that x is equal to ln of 3 minus root 5 over 2. Now that's okay because root 5 is less than 3, so that will be positive, so we'll be able to take the ln, or ln of 3 plus root 5 over 2. However, what do we actually say that arc sine is? Well, arc cos, not arc sinh, of 3 over 2 will give the value actually 3 plus root 5 over 2. Now the problem is that this is what's known as a many-to-one function, because 3 over 2 can go down there. This is called the principal solution. Okay, but there will be another solution which is a negative value of that, which is written as ln of 3 minus root 5 over 2, or minus this one. The reason being is this is a many-to-one. Cos x is a many-to-one function, but the inverse function also can only be a 1-to-1. So we only take this one as the principal value. So any calculator will only give this one solution. You would have to realise that there is a second solution, which is negative the principal solution. Okay, I hope you understand, because this will lead on to when we look at inverse of sinh cos in the next few videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you've understood.